Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. And as you can see, it's quite a wet, cool day here. So for this video, we're going to be focusing on how the government of South Africa are actually not really caring about the current situation in South Africa, but they are so hell-bent on the past that they just cannot see clearly. So to start off this video, I'm going to quickly read to you the crime statistics in South Africa. And after this, I am going to share a video with you regarding the South African court system starting to prosecute people that committed crimes against black people during apartheid. Now, in a country like South Africa, and here comes statistics, where we have a murder rate of 73 people per day. So this is the second quarter of 2024-2025 crime statistics. So we've got 73 murders per day. We've got 78 people per day which are on the attempted murder list. We've got 470 people per day that is assaulted with the intent to inflict bodily harm. Okay. Apart from that, we've got 113 rapes per day. And under those murder rates, 73 people per day, we've got about 11 murders on women per day. And then of those 73 murders per day, roughly about 4 children are murdered every single day. So the reason why I'm reading this to you is purely to show you that the South African government is not even able to prosecute and look at current crime in South Africa. But they want to pour resources, money, time, effort into the past. Okay, now I do understand stuff that happened during apartheid. And sometimes it was not justified to kill people during apartheid. But the pressing issues is currently, as we stand in South Africa. Now, 2025, 73 murders per day, 113 rapes per day. Okay, so just those two combined is roughly about 200 crimes committed every single day by a person, and they are not getting prosecuted. Yet the government of South Africa, and what's the video just after this, and you'll understand that the priority is not in line with what the South African population needs and what the South African population wants. The South African population wants a crime-free area, and currently the government of South Africa, the South African Police Service, including the justice system, are not providing a safe South Africa for us. Check this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.
It is a significant milestone when you look at the ruling made by the Johannesburg High Court today. They've ruled that crimes against humanity charges linking to murder and apartheid crimes can proceed in the indictment in this specific case. And what the NPA, for example, has said is it serves to be case law for future cases emanating from the TRC that is recommended for prosecution linked to apartheid regime crimes. But legal minds might be in a better position to explain this. I'm joined by Mosa Leteyane from the Foundation for Human Rights. Thank you so much for speaking to us, ma'am. Let's talk about what this charge means. Crimes against humanity. It's an international linked charge, but what does it mean for South Africa?
Thank you so much for having the Foundation for Human Rights. And this is indeed an important moment in legal history in South Africa today, because first of all, we need to understand that up until now, apartheid charges were trialed as domestic ordinary crimes. And what this will essentially mean is that they will now become crimes against humanity. They will be deemed and have the status and gravity of crimes against humanity. And what this will mean, amongst many other things, is that first of all, these crimes don't prescribe. What what that would mean is that there is no time limit in which people can bring crimes of apartheid to a court. So that means after 30 years, after whenever these crimes do not prescribe. And so what the judge essentially said today is that by virtue of the customary international nature, they do not. And because of our constitution, section 232, we are able to import this customary international law and prosecute these crimes as international crimes.